Coming to the next question in this set, which says how many movies of duration 90 minutes have been seen at least thrice by Jane. Now in the previous question, we have already calculated the values of certain asterisks. So these are the values that have been calculated by us. The question says how many movies of duration 90 minutes have been seen at least thrice by Jane. Now when you look at this data and see the data for the movies of duration 90 minutes, we see that the number of movies that have been watched thrice by Jane is 29. The number of movies that have been seen 4 times by Jane is 8. And the number of movies that have been seen 5 times by Jane is 60. Now if we are asked to calculate the number of movies that have been seen at least thrice by Jane, what we need to do, we need to add 29, 8 and 60, which will give us our answer. Coming to the question, so our required answer will be 29 plus 8 plus 60, which is equal to 97. So option 4 is the correct choice.